Yes, yes. CMZTrades. Welcome back to another episode, folks. This is the 100 Trades Backtesting Challenge. We are in Series 2, trading Nasdaq. We're using the MarketCipher Basic Strategy, folks. And we're documenting, journaling every trade with TradeZella. This is Series 2, Episode 19. Here's a look at TradeZella now. In fact, folks, we have cracked the 8K mark. Looking pretty good, folks. We have more winning trades than we do losing. Our profit factor is up there. Our win rate, 66%, folks. 66%. Even getting off to a bad start like this, which not actually a bad start. We're breaking even. It felt like a bad start in the moment, though. I tell you what, folks, we had to keep our psychology tight, and we still do at all times. But look how we turned this around. Look at that P&L. Oh, started low, got up there, cracked right back down. Had to dig ourselves out again, and this time we got motion. Our Zella score is ever so slightly increasing. Can we keep it up, folks? That is the plan, and we're sticking to it. We're in the November 2024 NQ price action. You know, our last trade, we aced the breakout, we aced the entry, we had high to low alignment, we did a TP1. I mean, we got out of there gracefully. I don't think we made any mistakes, folks. Beautiful trading. How did we get out of there? I think it came back and it stopped us out. I think that's what happened. I do not recall. Alas, I do not recall. We got to get back there on the trading view screen, so let's get back there. Where are we trading today, folks? We just finished up Friday. That puts us at Sunday. We are going to skip over Sunday as we've been doing, really just to symbolize the fact that I actually have not been backtesting every day. So it's only right we skip a day or two every now and again. I say we start back Monday Asian session. The Asian session on Monday seems like a fair place to come back and start. That means Saturday, Sunday, and then half of Monday. Essentially, we would have taken off after reaching $8,000. So we'll do that now on both TradeZella and TradingView. Let's get to Monday. Boom. So that's right around 330. Yeah, let's say 330. So she did get back up there. Hit that liquidity zone and came right back down. Sheesh. All right. Monday the 25th, 3:30, 15:30.
But I have to stay afloat. It's nice, be a person you don't want. Can somebody say me other thing? Going to do? Where's the life I? Where's my shy? Is this called living? I don't know. Where's the life I? Where's my shy? Is this called living? I don't know. I don't wanna grow. Just live myself. I don't wanna grow. The things I left behind me. I don't wanna grow.
There's our trade, folks, from Friday. We saw this breakout here, the retest, boom. Why is this Friday? Didn't I select Monday? That's strange. All right, either way, here we are. Monday, 3:30. All right, here we go. All right, so what did she do, folks? Here's Friday. She came out here Sunday. There it is. She hit this spider line, bumped her head, and came right back down. Okay. So we took this trade right here. She came back down. Yeah, over. See that gap? CME gap over from Friday to Sunday. She ran with it, but then it came back down, filled it. You know, maybe she's still bullish. She just wanted to fill. Maybe. Quick little narrative. Get rid of this green line. That was our stop loss. And we'll get rid of this. What's this one? 869. It's kind of like the top of this. Yeah, we're not worried about that. Just trying to clean up the chart a little bit. That looks a lot better. So she's in this channel, and we can definitely trade this inside, but you know, getting a breakout outside the channel is also a move. All right, let's have a look at MarketCipher. All right, I'm gonna clock in, lock in. Got the tunes going. Let's get a read on MarketCipher, folks. From high to mid, feels bearish, y'all. Feels bearish. Be interesting to see if the bulls can even get above right where it's at. That's what I wanted to see here. I wanted to see that 15 come around. Yeah. Oh dear, it's making its move. Yeah, that was a good short. I didn't see the 15. You know, I saw the trade, but my 15 wasn't where I really wanted it. So I stayed out. Let's see here. It was a beautiful short. Goodness. Yep. I mean, so now, if she gets below here, closes at 15, could be looking at a short. Maybe if she bounces, another short opportunity here. So we're looking at high to low bearishness, folks. You know, she's looking to dump. Yeah, dump it. So we've closed the 5 minute. That looks steep, folks. I mean, we could trade this, potentially put our stop up here. I'd like to have a better entry. Maybe some buys can come in here, push us back up. Yeah, okay, that's all right. We saw it, but you know,
waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do.
I'm looking for her to come back up if she can. Maybe we can get in.
So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of. Waking up anew. Wasting time is all I
Oh, she's still got room.
But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it starts. Being with you just feels right. You said we could meet it when it starts.
I'm just not getting in these trades, am I? I want a better entry, like, you know what I mean?
Want this to last. Said you wanted honest. I'm giving you my hand.
Yeah, see, I didn't want to get in the trade right when the bulls and everybody starts taking profit. Okay.
I'm dropping you texts now.
Now,
You said you want me when it starts. Being with you just feels right. You said we could meet it when it starts.
it's a little more like it.
Slow down. Sun is about to go down. So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think
You know what? We need to see what this looks like on the 15-minute candles. We're going to have to catch TradeZella up here. Yeah, that was a beautiful short. It probably went to the bottom of this and then bounced right back up. That's what it looks like it wants to do.
Has anybody told you one? Have you any idea why?
Yeah, we're still bearish on the higher to mid. The lows kind of trying to pump it up a little bit.
Did he tell you why?
Let's get
Has anybody told you why?
TradeZella caught up. We're at 1739.
Have you any idea why? Did he tell you why?
Oh, okay. Maybe it's just a retest of this bottom.
Has anybody told you why?
That could be some good entry action.
Have you any idea why?
Wouldn't that be nice right there? Yeah, if she gets back below 798.
It's nothing left, it's you. The feeling's going through. It's always you. 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 Keep falling for you. Keep falling for you.
Looking for that short, folks.
Keep falling for you. can feel this pain. It's like I'm going for insane. It's nothing left to say. It is time, let it be. Away from me, away from me. It's always you. 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 Keep falling for you. Keep falling for you. Keep falling for you.
She's got that pump in her. So we got to shake off the mistrade. And we got to just forget about it. Because it will feel like, you know, if we're not careful, it'll feel like, well, I got to get in a trade now. I missed one. I got to make it up. I got to make up what I missed. That's a trading error. We don't worry about that. There's plenty more opportunities. And we wait. One good trade beats 10 wild trades. See, that hourly's coming back up now. But this, we knew this. We knew she wanted to get in that channel. The question is, now that she's kind of out of this channel, or is she really? Because this might be more like the bottom of the channel kind of thing. The bodies are more so inside here, but that's kind of the thing. You know, we're probably still inside this channel, really. I mean, look at that. This is some bullish pressure right here. Broke out, but then the bears slammed it back down. Now the bulls are trying to come in, gather strength, maybe for another run. Where are we at? 2015. Bearish on the 6 hour. We don't get bullish until I think the 2. Okay, here we go. Yeah, the 2's got some juice for the bulls. All right, we're gonna have to play this out here. You know, I'm setting alerts here and alerts here. She's gonna have to do something. That's some beautiful curvature. Oh. That's a good trade. So what did the 6 hour do? New candle. It's trying to get some life. All right, here we go. Choose your side. Here's the bulls, and here's the bears. Big RSI gap. If there's a short in here, might not be much, or it could come down like this. That's beautiful for the bulls. Add that to the 2 hour. Look at that 2 hour trigger. A lot of times these triggers though will, and then do like a little another trigger. I might have to short this. That 5 looks like it's going to turn around. Getting some mixed signals here, folks. We're going to watch it closely. That's what we want, something like that. Where are we at? Hold on. Oh, what you got, folks? Oh yeah. Set a stop up here. let's see what we got. We still got to do a systems check. Still a lot that's got to happen here, folks. Let's I'm gonna do 2-minute penalty just to get so I got 2 minutes to look at the charts here. What's my 1 hour? We know the 2 hours doing something for the bulls, but it's some sideways stuff. Like I said, she could reject there briefly, just enough for us to grab a short. 30-minute wants to give us something. 24 shaky. We got green RSIs on the 15. So I mean, even though they're split, this is what we want. We want red and split. Red and split. This is green. Look at that on the 10-minute. We saw that earlier. This could be a trap up for the bears. Could be a trap. What do we need? We kind of need these 5-minute candles to close underneath. All right, what's my 15? Yeah, that's right. The RSIs are green. Money flows like sideways. We don't have like this action. Yeah, I'm not too sure about this short right here, folks. I think we need to see some candles close below our spider line there. Okay. She's really thinking about it. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna go for it. You know, we're looking at about a $1,200 stop here. I think I like this. I think I like this. Let's look at TradeZella. Let's do another 2-minute penalty here. Let's look at TradeZella. The bears are putting up a fight. TradeZella at 23.46. 2346. Man, we've been started at about 5 p.m. camping this thing all day. Yeah, Asia session's about to wrap it up. If we don't see something here to trade, then that's, you know, that's a wrap for Monday. Let's see. 2346. Okay. So she's just kind of doing this sideways thing. No, she could pump right where she's at. I'm not. Trade what I see, trade what I see. Seeing a trigger on the 40. RSIs look good. 1 hour. Oh, I'd like to see VWAP cross down on the 1. This 2 hour trigger that's a scary thing to short against. I can't do it, folks. I'm not shorting this. Not unless I see some 5s close below our spider. Okay, we got 1 closed. You know, we might be able to risk 800 and take that short. We have mid time frame support. 40 came around. 1 hour's not there. 4 hours washy. 6 hour hasn't made it. So I mean the bears are still in control. Hopefully looking at the higher time frames didn't throw it off. Okay. What am I missing? If she was ever going to bounce, it would be right here. Okay, I like the 40 for bears. 15, she's in there for the bears. I don't like the green RSIs, but I love the 10 RSIs. 5's got me. The 1 might have just created our entry. Yep. All right. Let's risk it, y'all. Nine past midnight here. The London session. I got ahead of it. So we're at 11. Let me give it a few minutes because I want to, yeah. All right, you know what? I don't like it. And we're going to go to, oh, dang, we're already in Tuesday. Tuesday at midnight? Oh, yeah, because it's midnight. So Tuesday at midnight. We're gonna not trade. So Monday into this Tuesday, we're going to New York session, folks. We trade New York session, Asian session. The Asian session's wrapping up here, so we're leaving it alone. That's why I'm having trouble nailing down a trade opportunity that I can put some confidence behind. So we're going to move this forward and go ahead to New York session. So regardless what it does, doesn't matter. Look at that, but just a bunch of sideways stuff. Yeah, we're not trading that, folks. We're waiting on the New York session. all the way to about, we're going to get back in our seats at 5:40 a.m. on Tuesday. All right, here we go. All right, here we are, 5:40, 5:42, 5:41. Now, we're in the Tuesday New York session. Here we are. We made the right call. Even if it shorted, we still made the right call. I was already kind of feeling like, should I be trading this? I mean, we technically are at the end of the Asian session. And that's why we have a plan. We trade New York, we trade Asia. We don't trade London. That's currently my style, and I'm sticking to it. So here we are in the New York. We didn't get a trade on Monday. We missed the opportunity, but we did not chase. See, this is valuable. This is what it's all about right here. This is what separates consistent, profitable traders from those who are not seeing the results they want. Who cares that we didn't find a trade on Monday? Or who cares we saw the opportunity and we didn't take it? We didn't FOMO after it. We didn't chase it. We accepted the fact that we missed it. And we didn't try to make up for it later. In fact, I probably should have called it right after that. I should have said, you know what? That was the trade. I felt it. I saw it. I missed it. On to the next trading session. Because, we want a fresh start. That seems to be where the magic is at, is when that session starts. So I'm not dead set on that, but I'm gonna think about that from now on. When I missed a good opportunity, it might be time to cool the jets. But here we are, picking up the New York session. Let's go ahead and see, where does that put us here? Okay. We're still trying to dig through this tunnel. Just trying to dig through the tunnel here. That's all that's happening. Okay. Is New York gonna run it up? Has some room. Kind of in the middle of this. Let's look at MarketCipher. We're staying patient. We treat every trade with the same respect here. We're not rushing. 6 hour came around, look at that. Daily in the 12 hour, they got a little push on them. Looks like the bulls are gaining some control here. I like that 4 hour. I like the 3 hour. There's that 2 hour. Yeah, that 2 hours juiced. I think we're running with the bulls. Higher to mid. Fifteen's got a chance. 30's kind of flat. Forty's alive. I like that 5. I mean, really, the 15 RSIs, VWAP, money flow. Look at that pump right there. Folks, I just need a decent entry, and I'm gonna run with the bulls here. Love to see her just give me that right there. Okay. Might be exactly what I asked for. Let me see. Put my stop, you know, put my stop down here. Maybe even closer. It's got to be a 15-minute candle there. Risk 1,000. Catch it before it breaks out. $15 squeeze in here. She's got a shot. Let's give it the 2 minute. Kind of do want her to pop above there in case there's some sellers. All right. We're gonna grab it, folks. I think we're gonna grab this one. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna grab this one. All right. Small details. Let's go 6:06 a.m. There it is. What time is it? Or I mean, where's that put us? 9:59:50. There it is. Gonna risk about 1,200, folks. TP1 somewhere around 21,000. $930.25. There it is. 1 hour, 6:06, 7:06. Screenshot time. The 1 minute. Now we are already in the trade, so at the 5 minutes revealing the sauce, it's okay. So she did manage to get up there. Need her to stay, need her to stay. Need to see these bulls do their thing here. All right, there's the 5. $15. What else do we want to see? 40 maybe? Yeah. What about that 2 hour? All right. We got to hide a little alignment here, folks. 15 minutes lined up. Our entries lined up. Support, resistance, candle closes. We're primed. We got defensive stop loss. Beautiful. We do have high to low alignment. Emotions. I mean, I'm feeling pretty confident. Spoke to me. I'm content with whatever happens. I'm peaceful. I'm feeling good here, folks. All right, I'm just getting my screenshots copied over. Folks, anything can happen. Anything can happen in the market. But we see an opportunity and we're gonna take a swing at it. We're gonna take a swing at it. Maybe a little turbulence, but we are thinking the bulls are going to hang tough, hang 10, and ride the wave here. All right, we're ready. We're ready here, folks. Here we go. Come on, bulls. Let's see a push, baby. Let's see that push. Again, the 5-minute. Strong RSIs. Wide open. The 10-minute. Strong RSIs. All of these RSIs are pinching. 15. They got room. They got room. Name of the game here is not to get greedy. Looking to take profit, looking to get out of the trade if we start to see reversals on the 15 and down. All right, here we go. Five minutes into the trade, the bulls have a head start. Bears are pulling back. And they stopped us out. Dang. So we were up. Yeesh, we was up like about 800. We was up about 800. We ended up taking a 1,200 loss on this one, folks. You know, that 800, when we see 800 profit, when we see about 20 points, when she moves about 20 points, that's when we get our entries and she moves with us about 20 points. We tend to see pushback. But these mid time frames are bullish. The bulls are here. And I'm wondering,
life is like trick or treat, and that's all.
we did not have much of a warning in order to turn this thing around or, get out. Like this all happened within a very short amount of time. Let's see. Less than 20 minutes. Had a beautiful push starting out. Could we have moved our stop loss to break even? Yes, but our criteria for doing so, it didn't feel risky. It didn't, this is a quick pullback, like a 3 candle salute, 3 soldier salute, I think it's called, where you get this just back-to-back push from from one side or the other.
And you will be fine.
Unfortunate, folks, but that is the game we play here. So we can see, let's look at the 1 minute. We're up 720 within the first 5 minutes or so. And then from there, she just came right for us. Now, okay,
Life is like
what are we going to do here?
trick or treat,
It's 6:24 a.m. on the New York session.
and that's all.
We're still bullish. And our stop maybe could have been down here. Let's see if a stop there made more sense. Yeah. Ah! Ah! Look at this. Oh, we would have hit take profit. We would have hit take profit, folks. Yeah, I knew the bulls were here. Yep. Yep. And it'd be like this. It'd be like that sometimes. We would have been all over that take profit. We'd have moved our stop to like break even. And then we would have got stopped out. So we would have been able to take, $1,600 profit there. Wait, no, $800. So we would have, if we took profit here, it was 800. If we could have made it to here, it'd have been 800. And then, move to break even, and we get stopped out. 800 was the number. I'm telling you, it's that number 800 that might be a very key number to look out for us. Also too, though, What kind of stop loss is this? Come on now. This is clearly where your stop goes. Down here, we would have had to risk 1,600 instead of 1,200. You know, worth it, right? There it is. That's the trade. There's the results. And there. Let's get a screenshot. Not much you can do about that, folks. That is the market way. Well, we do know what we can do about that. We did not have our stop loss at the ideal defensive position below these candles over here. That was the lowest point in this range. That was our best probability. And the market punished us for it. That's exactly what happened, folks. A good lesson, a good reminder. Stop losses need to be very, very key in very key areas for a reason. That's a good lesson for the stream, folks. We're gonna wrap it up right there. We are trading the Asian session in this Tuesday here. And where does that put us? Over here. Oh, let me get this screenshot in here. Let's just say. Unless, okay, in the first 10 minutes, we were up. But not at our TP1. In the following 10 minutes after that, a 3-soldier salute to the downside stopped us out of the trade. We continued to watch price action and learned that our stop loss would have survived if it was in the more defensive place, about 10 points lower. And then here's our screenshot to demonstrate. Oh wait, this screenshot doesn't capture. Yeah, let's do the 5. It's a little more. It's where our stop should have been. And then that would have been a good loss. You know, I'm not necessarily happy with this loss. I'm not mad at it either. I think it was a good trade. The bulls were here. We found them. We knew it. I mean, it just barely wicked us out. And so it was a good trade, but it could have been even better if our stop loss was where it really should have been. Absolutely. This was a stop loss error. So, what does that mean for mistakes? Our mistakes. I thought I had a stop loss. We'll say misplaced stop loss. And playbooks, we're going to take away the defensive stop loss. It wasn't as defensive as it could have been, should have been. I mean, 10 more points, folks, for a very clear. And I thought about it, and it occurred to me, I don't think it's going to get down there. See, I traded what I thought instead of what I saw, and I saw the defensive place for the stop loss was lower, and I did this to myself. We did it to ourselves. This was a very good learning experience because I didn't realize that I did that until the market taught me and showed me. So that is the trade. That is the stream for today. Folks, I want to thank you for tuning in. That brings us to 7,000. We took $1,000 hit today, and that's okay. We still have the Asian session and 3 more trading days. We're trading the plan, and that is the name of the game. So don't miss the next time CMZ trades.